everyone, welcome again. And now to the topic that we will discuss about relation between rate of appearance, rate of disappearance with rate of reactions. What the relation between both three things? Sorry, both. I should not use both here. All these three things. Okay, so I will teach it with the help of my notes to you. And here you can see I am given some notes to you. Here I am considering a chemical reaction with the stoichiometric coefficient A of A, B, capital B, and its a rate constant is K here, and C with capital C and D with capital D. How we can write a rate of reaction, the expressions to write the rate of reaction of it. So this is the way of writing it. According to the rate law, I can also write it like that. So by equating both reactions, because there's all both reactions showing us the rate of the reaction, so that by equating it we can say that it's can be written like that. So here by equating, by taking two things here, after this I will take this one with to this and this to this, equating all these things. So first of all, equating by this, I can say that from the rate law I can say x remaining of rate, the things that remain after rate of reaction and the concentration of reactants is considered as the constant thing. Okay, so from here I can say this is the way of writing rate of reaction with the help of rate law expression, and this is the second thing. And by equating both of things, I can say that A can go with this side and become AK, and this is called the rate of disappearance, and the negative sign shows that the concentration of the reactant A is getting decreasing. Now I can say the rate of disappearance of A, that is this, and this AK, can I say that this is the rate constant of disappearance. This is become the rate constant, and it becomes from this is the way of expressing whole things. But what I can say that from whole the observation, here I can say that if I if I have to find the rate constant of appearance and disappearance, I can find it with the help of multiplying stoichiometric coefficient with the rate constant of the reaction. This is a whole observation that we can find out.